Hello, hello. Once again, my YouTube friends and family. It is Budgeting Mama back on your screen. So, once again, this is Budgeting Mama back here for you to give you some more job leads for the day. Remember, I'm focusing on the income portion of the budgeting, and I am looking to help out you guys who have been laid off. And for those of us who have professional experience, mid-level professionals who are looking to pivot, find something else. We need to get these job applications in because it's tough out there. So there is strength in numbers. So let's, put all these applications in, do what you can do, try to get in where you fit in. So let's just hop right into it. I can't even talk. So our first job lead of the day is with Citizen. It is a senior computer systems analyst. This is a remote position, and the pay is up to 106K annually. Pretty good, pretty good. So basically, the Citizen is a leading provider of professional IT services to the U.S. government. So this is like it's like they contract with the federal government. So they're seeking someone to address some of the country's most pressing challenges in the areas of agile application development, enterprise data management, enterprise architecture, and project program management support services. They focus on oh Lord, sorry about that. Still working, huh? So they focus on the U.S. Department of Homeland Security and Treasury. Those are the agencies that they serve the most. So expect to be working with them. If you get hired, so once again, the expected pay range is up to 106K, 105,600 annually. They're seeking a skilled and analytical computer systems analyst to join the team. The ideal candidate will be responsible for analyzing business problems to implement and improve computer systems. You will analyze user requirements, procedures, and problems to automate or enhance existing systems and review computer system capabilities, workflow, and schedule limitations. You may also analyze or recommend commercially available software. Typically, in the US government, I've been a federal employee before. Their systems are pretty old, so you can help out with trying to get them a little faster. So your key responsibilities are system analysis. You'll be analyzing complex data processing problems to design and implement effective computer systems, gathering requirements, work with users together and understand their requirements, procedures, and problems to develop or improve systems. System improvement, big one. Recommend and implement improvements to their existing systems. Focus on automation efficiency and user satisfaction. You'll be reviewing computer system capabilities, workflow, and scheduling limitations to optimize system performance. You'll be analyzing and recommending commercially available software to meet user needs and improve system functionality. You'll create detailed documentation of system requirements, specifications, and operational procedures. You'll collaborate with other IT professionals, including developers, network administrators, and support staff, to ensure seamless system integration and performance. Of course, the typical conduct system testing and validation, and you'll be identifying and resolving system issues promptly to minimize downtime and maintain system integrity. Pretty much a systems analyst all over, across the board. So the qualifications they're looking for is a minimum of 8 years experience in any system analysis, data processing, or any related role. So anything related to system analysis, computer analysis, and stuff like that, they'll, is recommended. Proficiency in system analysis and design with strong knowledge of various programming languages and software tools. They want someone who has strong analytical and problem-solving abilities to understand and address complex system issues. Someone with excellent verbal and written communication skills to effectively interact with users and IT professionals. Of course, gotta communicate. High attention to detail and accuracy in analyzing user requirements and system capabilities. Ability to work collaboratively in a team environment. Of course, preferred qualifications. They want someone who has experience with enterprise level applications, knowledge of business process modeling and improvement techniques, and someone who's familiar with cloud computing and cybersecurity principles. Just just a touch of a little bit of knowledge in that area. They prefer someone with a business degree in computer science, information systems, or a related field, but it's not doesn't look like it's required. Also, there's a clearance requirement since you are working with the federal government. You must be a U.S. citizen for this one, and you must have an active public trust clearance or have the ability to obtain one. So they will sponsor your clearance for you if you don't have one, which is amazing because then that opens you up to a multitude of other government contracts and jobs. Just to put that out there for you guys. Government contracts and jobs can be very lucrative for especially for IT folk like ourselves. So that's the first opportunity. Let's move on to the second one. Remember that Citizen Senior Computer Systems Analyst, and I'll have the link in the description below. So our next opportunity is for a senior financial systems analyst. Different world here, financial world, the finance world. So this is also a remote position. The pay is between 95K and 169K annually. Very good, very good, man. So this is a company that supports law firms. That's their main client that they support. So they pretty much have provide the software for the law firms for documentation stuff like that. So pretty much it says we're not just supporting a law firm. We're partnering with attorneys and clients to deliver cutting edge solutions in high stakes litigation and dispute resolution, world class regulatory compliance and advisory services, and complex transactions. So pretty much this is your opportunity to grow professionally in a dynamic global environment surrounded with forward-thinking peers. As a senior financial system analyst, you will be a part of the IT financial systems teams. It entails responsibilities for supporting, maintaining, developing, and implementing the firm's financial systems. Pretty much what you will do all day is you'll be the principal owner for the design, development, and implementation of adherent expert customization of classic and framework forms, inquiries, rules, and workflows. You have this is one where they definitely gonna have to train. Most people don't come in knowing this stuff, but sometimes, yeah. But let's move forward. You'll utilize the DocuDraft toolkit to develop and modify DocuDraft documents, design and implement scalable data warehouse solutions for finance applications, including optimized data models, ETL pipelines to ensure efficient data processing, storage, and reporting. Develop and optimize SQL queries, stored procedures, and data endpoints to enhance financial data processing, business intelligence, and integration with web applications and financial applications. Participate in the selection, planning, design, implementation, testing, and deployment of financial systems, including integration of third-party applications and interfaces. Provide second-tier level analysis and support of financial applications, resolving issues through ticketing, closeout, and ensuring user satisfaction. So you'll be working on tickets. Of course, that's troubleshooting. Collaborate with business partners to translate business needs into functional and system requirements. Collaborate with business partners and technology teams to define, coordinate, and execute user acceptance testing. Deliver and maintain tasks related to the implementation and support of financial systems, including business requirements, level of effort, estimates, system specifications, data mapping documents, support, and troubleshooting. Also, mentoring junior developers and analysts regarding the firm's financial systems, because everyone is probably going to need to be trained up a little bit. So this is here they would like you to have a bachelor's degree in computer science or finance and accounting. They want you to have some experience in a law firm. That's preferred, but not required. So yeah, I will give you a step ahead of other people. If you have 5+ years of experience with Adherent Expert, their software, or 5+ years of experience with other development tools, extensive knowledge of Adherent Expert Classic and Framework platform, including customization, database structure, and design studio. If you have any proficiency in the like Visual Studio with SQL, SSRS, SSIS, SharePoint, C Sharp, .NET, ASP.NET, PowerShell, many of those items. Also, Microsoft Office products like Access, Power Apps, BI tools, stuff like that. Any experience with Iron Python and API REST framework, experience with other financial systems, EIS, Intap Time, Chrome River, and other financial warehouses, understanding of law firm financial database structures, strong analytical and problem solving skills, excellent organizational, interpersonal teamwork, communication, and customer service skills, ability to collaborate with all levels of personnel, of course, and capable of communicating effectively with technical and non technical audiences. So, once again, this is the senior financial systems analyst, and this is working for a law firm, so that will give you a leg up. And remember, that one is going up to 169K annually. Great, great, great salary. So, if you want to apply for that one, I will leave the description in. I will leave the link in the description below. So, moving on to our next one. Okay, so our next one is with United Health Group. And United Health Group is a well-known healthcare company with benefits, all that stuff. Yeah, they've been in the headlines, so yeah, we're not going to get into that, but yeah. So they are currently hiring, which was posted a couple of days ago, for a quality data analyst under the HEDIS Optimization and Insights team. Oh, so this is a fully remote job as well. And they pay between 71K and 140K. Man, these are some good paying jobs, guys. So do not be afraid to apply. Do not. You can do this. You have the skills. Like I said, if you need me to help you, um, pretty much verbalize your skills, or get your skills, pretty much get your skills set up to where it looks like you do have transferable skills. You might not think you do, but you do. A lot of these things are done across the board in many type of roles, and they can be translated to pretty much say the same thing. It just sounds different, sounds more advanced, but it's not. So if you need help with that, I do have a link in the description for that as well, so you can book some time with me to go over that, or I have a resume kit available to help you, get it done for yourself. You might be well versed and can figure it out on your own. You're one of those people who's like, I want to figure it out myself. Or if you're one of those other people who like, I don't know where to start, man. This is crazy. I ain't been out in the job market in so long. I just don't know where to start. This is overwhelming. If you're one of those people, hit me up. I can definitely help you. I am here for you. Just book some time with me. We can go over it together, or you can, just say, hey, you do it yourself. I ain't got time for this. You do it. I can do that for you too. So just let me know. But I'm here for you. I'm trying to help you guys get jobs because we out here trying to struggle and get it together out here. So okay, moving forward. So once again, this is a quality data analyst, up to 140K, guys. 140K. These jobs, man. Okay. So the quality data analyst at United Healthcare, um, under the Quality Optimization and Insights team, is responsible for performing and/or facilitating functions to ensure retrospective and HEDIS quality reporting requirements are met. This role involves supporting accurate and timely issue resolution, data reporting, and providing overall retrospective support to commercial Medicare and Medicaid submissions. Definitely, that's a big part of their business. This position offers the flexibility to work remotely within the U.S., primarily during Eastern time zones. So if you're not on the East Coast, they want you to work on East Coast time. Just a heads up. But that shouldn't be an issue. You can do it. So they want you to perform and facilitate functions, ensuring retrospective and HEDIS quality reporting requirements are met in accordance with NCQA, CMS, and state technical specifications. Support accurate and timely issue resolution. So you'll be working tickets. Collaborate with applicable internal stakeholders to obtain in-depth information and data about internal requirements for technology supporting quality optimization and insights. Gather and document requirements, focused on process improvement, workflow, benchmarking, and or evaluation of business processes and configuration. Pretty much gathering requirements. You'll develop and support tools to assist with analysis to evaluate material change in year-over-year performance. Automate or enhance automate or enhance processes utilizing external vendor platforms that translate to improved efficiencies. Anticipate potential barriers and proactively develop solutions to safeguard these processes. Monitor the data flow from vendors to confirm no gaps and issues with load processes. Serve as a team support resource on complex or critical issues. This is all mainly supporting tickets. Review work performed by others to ensure accuracy. May support functional or segmental teams on projects. Provide explanations and information to others on complex issues. Work with minimal guidance. Seeks guidance on the most complex tasks. Of course, you'll be trained up, so that'll come with time, and they understand that. And you'll support the development of ad hoc reports. So they want you to have at least 4 years of process improvement, quality, data analytic equivalent related, or data analytic equivalence related experience. At least 3 years of HEDIS or CMS star rating experience. They will overlook that, trust me. They will overlook that if you have a lot of experience in the healthcare world as a whole. So, clinical or non-clinical. Demonstrate ability to manage and prioritize deliverables, project management, ability to successfully communicate to various matrix cross-functional teams. See, they make it sound so, fancy, but it's pretty much like collaboration with other teams, working with, teamwork, basically. Uh, Experience pulling, manipulating, massaging, and analyzing large data sets from various sources. Successfully managing multiple priorities simultaneously. Proven solid project management experience, of course. Intermediate level of experience with Microsoft Excel, pivot tables, formulas, stuff like that, and healthcare quality experience. They prefer someone with a system analyst or business analyst experience, intermediate proficiency with Access, SQL, or VBA, experience developing and implementing process improvement project plans driven by data analytics. So if you have any of those qualifications, put that in the resume. Try to match your resume to what they're asking for. Use their verbiage. That's the biggest thing I say. Use their verbiage, throw it in your resume. Unfortunately, we do have to edit our resume for every job. So that's all broken down in my resume kit, and I give you some power words, situational phrases, and I give you a breakdown of interview questions that they usually always ask. So, like I said, if you want that, that's in the description below. But here, that is the last job we have for today, which is with United Healthcare Group, all the way up to 140K. So, guys, that was a pretty good job leads for the day. What do you guys think? So, also another pretty much easier certification if you're trying to pivot into the tech world. That and they are hiring a lot. I do see a lot of openings for Salesforce administrators. So I'm telling you guys, this is one that you can study and prepare. They, if you go to their trailhead.salesforce.com, you can look for the learning and go to their administrator. And the administrator, they'll show you. They'll have the trailhead. Trailhead is pretty much a breakdown, a flow of all the learning you need to, pretty much all the steps you need to learn. Everything you need to learn about the Salesforce environment, things you need to learn to know, things you need to know as a Salesforce administrator to perform the job. So, and this will pretty much take you through the whole process, study, and then go get the certification. It does cost for the certification, but it's worth it. To get Salesforce certified as the administrator, you will start getting hit up on LinkedIn by those looking for those roles. Trust me, and it is an easier one. Salesforce is no coding, so it's all upfront. All upfront interface, like user interface. But no back end coding tools, anything like that. So, I'm telling you guys, this is a good certification to get. It's an easier one, a relatively easier one to learn, and it's very lucrative. Yeah, Salesforce laid off a lot of people, but we're not talking about working directly for Salesforce. We're talking about working for other companies utilizing Salesforce software. So that's another, tidbit of certifications I want to pop out to you guys, and just try to give advice. Just we gotta learn. We gotta get our skills up so we can be more marketable. That's what we should do in this environment. There's a lot of layoffs going on, so the more skills we know, the more things we know, the more things we can do, and that we can prove that we can do, the more valuable we can become out here. We can stand out amongst a crowd of people who have the basics. We can do it though. Let's make ourselves stand out, but you can do it. And apply, 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 apply. Do not be scared. The worst I can say is no or move on, So whatever. Put the job applications in. Let's get it, child. Let's get it. So that's what I have for today, guys. Once again, if you guys need my help, I do have that link in the description below. I'm willing to help you guys out. And I want to help you guys get the jobs. You can do it. You can get the six figures. You can get close to six figures. Don't think you can't. I thought that too, and I made it. I made it. If I can do it, anybody can. Cause shoot, I'm not the smartest. C student up in here. So, but once again, that's it for today, guys. Have a good one, and peace out for the day.